want to respond on trending information about the school fees in Kiharu and Mumias East. Number one, I'm the best in terms of the bursary allocation. And one of the things we are going to do is, for those who are going to show the interest, they are going to pay per term, because now we are talking about the term that is trending right now is about the term. So the term in Kiharu is 500 shillings, but in Mumias East, for those who are going to apply, we are dividing 3,000 divided by 3, that is 1,000. That's 1,000 bob. Yes, because that's 1,000. So in Mumias East per term, we are going to do 1,000 shillings, because the reason being is that that is a constituency that has developed, because I have a lot of renovations to do in my constituency. I have the TTIs that we have been doing. We have done the KMTCs. We are doing more other projects like facelift the administration blocks in my constituency and all that. So we are doing, for those who are going to show the interest, 1,000 per term, because 1,000 is about 3,000, because we're going to do it 1,200, because if we are talking about approximately fees for day school is about 9,500. So if we are giving you 5,000, let's say for example 5,000, so 5,000 per term, we are talking about 1,300 or so. So if we are doing that because we want also to do development money. Our schools do not have laboratories, do not have administration blocks. They are in pathetic and all that. So we're going to catch up, and we believe by next year we are going to calm down, because we will have done a lot of renovations in my school, and I'm not doing tiles, I'm doing terrazzo, and terrazzo is more expensive than tiles. So I want to tell my people of Mumias East constituency, don't feel like I'm not aware of what is happening, but with all the strategies that I have in place, we'll balance